Hello students, how are you all? Welcome back to our online classes from LPM Public School situated at Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. This is your English teacher Nancy Pandey. So my dear students, today I am here with an exercise of grammar fun from the poem The Mother Bird, page number 42. So today we are going to do the exercise related from the grammar fun. Topic is articles a and an. So students, in our previous video I told you that we use an before words that begin with a vowel sound, and we use a before words that do not begin with a vowel sound. Now let's do the exercise. Question number D. Look at the toys, write a or an with their names. So my dear students, look at the picture given below. You have to write the name of this toys and you have to use a or an before their names. First one is done for you. Look at the first picture. This is a picture of robot. So before robot we can use a. So here you have to write a robot, because in word robot it's not sound like a vowel sound. The first letter of this word is R and that is a consonant. So here you have to use a. Now look at the next picture. What is this? This is a doll. So in the word doll, it begins with a consonant sound. So here you have to use a. Now look at the next picture. What is this? This is a teddy. So students, the word teddy begins with a T sound. That is a consonant. So here you have to write a. Now look at the next picture. What is this? This is an umbrella. We use here an because in the word umbrella it sounds like a vowel. And you know very well we use an before words that begin with a vowel sound. Now look at the next one. What is this? This is an elephant. Here you have to write an elephant because the first letter of the word elephant begins with a vowel sound. Now look at the next picture. This is a picture of aeroplane. So before aeroplane we have to write an aeroplane, because aeroplane the word aeroplane begins with a vowel sound. Now look at the next picture. This is a ball. So ball, the word ball starts with a or begins with a consonant sound. So here you have to write a ball. Now look at the next picture. This is a toy train. Similarly, you have to also write here a toy train. Now look at the next picture. This is a picture of kite. So here you have to also write a kite. Now let's come to the question number E. Write a or an to complete these sentences. So students, here few sentences are given. You have to complete this by using a or an. So the first one is, there was blank jungle on one side of the city. So here you have to write a. There was a jungle on one side of the city. Look, now let's come to the second one. Blank owl lived in the neem tree. Here you have to write, an owl lived in the neem tree. Now let's come to the next one. Did you see blank elephant in the jungle? So here you have to use an. Did you see an elephant in the jungle? Now let's come to the fourth one. Blank army of soldiers guarded the city. Here you have to write an, because the word army begins with a vowel sound. So here you have to write, an army of soldiers guarded the city. Now let's come to the fifth one. Blank insect has 6 legs. So before insect you have to use an. An insect has 6 legs. So students, this was the exercise that is based on articles a and an. Now let's come to the picture composition. Question number F. Mama bird and Papa bird built a nest in the tree. Answer the questions. So students, here look at the picture. Here Mama bird and Papa bird built a nest in the tree that is given here. You have to answer the questions that is given below. The first question is, where is the nest? So students, look at this picture. Where is the nest? The nest is on the tree. The nest is on the tree. Now let's come to the second one. How many chicks are there in the nest? So students, look at the picture. How many chicks are there in the nest? There are 4 chicks in the nest. There are 4 chicks in the nest. Now let's come to the third one. What is Papa bird doing? What is Papa bird doing? So students, Papa bird is taking care of baby's bird. Papa bird is taking care of baby's bird. Now let's come to the fourth one. What are the babies doing? So students, look at the picture. They are playing with Papa bird. Now let's come to the last question. Question number 5. Where do you think Mama bird has gone? So students, do you think where do Mama bird has gone? Mama bird has gone to collect food for babies. So where do Mama bird has gone? Mama bird has gone to collect food for babies. So this was the answer for the picture composition. I hope you understand all the exercises from this poem. You have to complete your fair copy and fill this in your book. Don't forget to do all the work that is given during your live classes. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy and stay at your home. Thank you students. Bye and take care.